Will TikTok be banned on January 19th? Last year, Congress passed a law telling TikTok to cut its ties to China or be banned nationwide. Now, this Friday, TikTok and the Department of Justice will be duking it out in front of the Supreme Court. TikTok says shutting down the app would violate the free speech of millions of Americans who use the app. The Justice Department says the law must stand because TikTok's Chinese ties just make it too much of a national security threat. If they uphold the law, the ban starts January 19th. That doesn't mean using TikTok will be illegal, but Apple and Google will be forced to kick the app out of app stores. Now, President-elect Donald Trump is the real wild card here. He filed a brief with the court asking them to delay the law indefinitely. Trump, of course, tried to ban TikTok in his first term, but he's since vowed to save it. He claims TikTok helped turn out the youth to vote for it. Now, if the Supreme Court upholds the law, Trump could tell his administration not to enforce it, and he could try to negotiate a deal for TikTok to be sold. That, however, would require the sign-off of the Chinese government, and they have said for years they are not interested in selling. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. What happens if the law is upheld and TikTok is banned, but then Trump says he's not going to enforce it? Do Apple and Google take it out of their app stores because it's now the law? Or do they keep TikTok there because Trump said don't worry about it? Right now, we just don't know. In sum, it's been a lot of uncertainty for a while for TikTok, and now more uncertainty.